Punjab is accelerating development of modern shrimp farming infrastructure at Ali Pur as part of its wider aquaculture expansion program. Construction work at the site includes land preparation, drainage channels, embankments, harvesting areas, pumping systems, and shrimp ponds, with heavy machinery deployed to speed up development. The project is part of Punjab's plan to bring more land under shrimp cultivation and establish a modern aquaculture value chain. Officials say the initiative is expected to increase shrimp production, create employment opportunities, and support Pakistan's seafood exports.